This is Sylvia Stuckey. I'm here with Rebuilding Together El Paso. We are lucky enough to have received a grant from Lowe, and we're able to recruit students from the honors program at UTEP to help us make a difference in the life of this elderly homeowner. With this grant money, we were able to do weatherization on the home, as well as replace appliances that were not energy efficient. We replaced the stove, the microwave, and also the dryer. With the help of these students and the monies that we received, we can do the things that our goal from our national organization, Rebuilding Together, expects from us. That is to keep the homeowner safe, warm, and dry.
Why is it important for, Rebuilding Together to do stuff like this for the community?
Well, it's to keep these people independent, keep them in their homes a little bit longer so they're not a ward of the federal government. Lowe's is a grant that we applied for, and that's where we get the funds, but we also have city funds that we contribute to this. It's wonderful to see the younger generation volunteering, and it gives them an opportunity to give back to the community and to help these folks. And it's self-satisfying to come out and help them because they're not as fortunate as I have been.